today's video I'm gonna be showing you in super easy steps how to create these lacy Christmas seed beads earrings. It is a beginners friendly tutorial, so I invite you to create together. Consider subscribing with the bell, liking, sharing and commenting. In this way YouTube will show you more of my absolutely free content. Also, you can check the membership option if you want additional video courses and digital patterns. It is pretty inexpensive and provides massive value. Check description and the join button. Okay guys, so what I'm using here for these festive earrings are 3 colors of 11/0 seed beads, golden, green and red, the Christmas colors, earring findings in golden color as well, Nylbond nylon thread or your favorite thread. Any thread of your choice will do the work. I'm using size 11 beading needle, use similar size, and I use scissors. Now I'm going to take about 1.5 meters of thread and I will start. Okay guys, and I have here 4 golden beads. And I'm going to slide those down. I will stick my needle in my mat, and here what I want to do is a knot. I make a loop and I go twice through this loop and I pull. Then I want to make just one more knot, just like this. Okay, now I have this cross of 4 beads. In my next step I want to go through the following golden. I take 1 golden bead and I go in the next golden. One more golden, go in the next golden. Repeat again. And one last time. Then go through this golden bead. Take 3 red beads and go here in the following golden. Three red beads again. Go in the next golden. And repeat it 2 more times. Okay, now I have this cute diamond shape. In my next step guys, I want to go here into this red one. I take 3 green beads and I go backwards through this red. Go into the next red and add 1 more green here. Go in the following red. 3 green beads again here at the angle. Following red. And 1 green. Three green beads here guys, and just to save time go in the following red as well. Okay, 1 green, and repeat the same thing. And like that. Then in my next step, guys, I want to add golden beads. I'm going in this middle green bead here, this one. I take 3 golden beads and I go back in circle through this green, sorry. Okay, I have this. I want to do this for the other middle green beads. So I'm exiting here at this middle green. I add 3 goldens. Like that. Then I reach here the following green. 3 again. And I go like this. And through all of those beads and I get here. And 3 golden ones. Okay, and I have this. In my next step, guys, I go into this green one and I take 2 red, 1 golden, 2 red, and I go in the golden. And in this row I'm going to repeat this 2 red, 1 golden, 2 red, and go in the next one that is sticking out, which in this case is green. Again 2 red, 1 golden, 2 red, go in the next one. And I will continue this, guys, absolutely the same way, connecting the golden and the green beads that are sticking out with the same sequence of red. 2 red, 1 golden, and 2 red. And by the way, guys, if you still haven't, please check my membership option in description and at the join button, because in this way you will receive massive value. It is very inexpensive, but with the membership you get access to 45 beading patterns on my website that you will be able to download with a link and a password that you will receive from the top post of the membership area. And you will also get access to 8 video courses. 9th is in progress. And this value will grow over time with additional video courses and patterns. Then, guys, what I want to do is to go through these 2 red ones. I take 3 red beads, I skip this golden in the center, and I go through the following 2 red and the golden. Three again, skip the golden center and go through these beads. Okay, again, 3, then 2 red beads, then 3 red, skip the golden, go like this. Okay, then like this. And I'm going to continue this until the end. Okay. Then, my friends, when I'm ready with this row, I want to go through all of those 3 red beads. And don't worry that it bends a little bit at this stage. We'll fix it now. Okay, and I'm going to take 5 golden beads and I want to go here in the next red that is sticking out. Okay, another 5 and again go through the one that's sticking out through the pointy edge. And at this stage, guys, don't pull too tight, just place them gently. Okay, 5 again. And it is absolutely the same thing until the end. Continue with 5 beads. Okay, 5. And 5. In my next step, guys, I want to go here through the first golden. And I'm taking 2 red, 1 golden, 2 red. I skip the middle 3 beads. And I go here in the next golden. And I'm adding here 1 green bead. 2 red, 1 golden, 2 red, skip the central 3 and go here through this last one. And take 1 green bead. Two red, 1 golden, 2 red, skip here these middle 3 beads, go in the last, 1 green, and I will continue this until the end of this row. Because it is absolutely the same thing. I will do this off camera and I'll be back to show you the result. Okay, guys, and here I am at my last 2 steps where I'm adding 2 red, 1 golden, 2 red and a green one. And after that I want to create my last row, where I'm going to add 3 red beads. And 3 green beads back in circle. Then I'm going to repeat this, going through these 2 red ones, 3 red beads, and 3 green beads. Three red, 3 green, okay, I'll do this until the end and I'll be back. Okay, my friends, and here I am at the last step, where I'm adding my last 3 green beads. And by the way, if you want, you can go around the edges one more time, reinforcing your work if you want to. Now, what I want to do, guys, is to go here through all of those beads, and I want to reach this bead that is sticking out at the edge, and I want to attach my earring finding here. Okay, and I'm taking a golden bead, my earring finding, and a golden bead, and I'm going backwards through this bead, and I also want to reinforce. Then I want to go through all of those beads in this direction, and I want to find a place to make a knot. Okay, let's say that I will make my knot here between those 2 beads. I'm making a loop, going twice through the loop I've made, pulling, and I'm going here through as many beads as I can, like this. You can repeat this knot several times if you want, but when you're ready, just cut this thread as close as possible to your work. Okay, guys, and now my Christmas elegant seed beads earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more free tutorials like this one, please like, share and comment and subscribe with the bell. I'm most grateful about your support. If you want additional video courses and digital patterns, you can join the membership. Links you can find in description and at the join button. You will receive a lot of value like video courses and digital patterns, and it's pretty inexpensive, so you can check it out. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.